Welcome back, my dear colleagues. Today I'm gonna show you this beautiful hairstyle, which is very modern, I guess, and very stylish. Now here I am taking out these short hairs, and as you can see, I was using actually mousse and blow drying. This is my comb, which I really love it, and you can purchase it on my website shamuratov.com, by the way. So here I was back combing the roots to give a direction and to have little volume. And as you can see, I'm dressing this ring accessory to hair and with the pin, yeah. And then when you put it, then it's more easy because then you can pull it, then you can work it because it holds very good. And when you go to the next level, you have to back comb also because we need to have a direction. And one thing that you have to mention here is I am putting these hairs under this ring accessory. Also very important that I'm back combing to give a direction, not to give a volume. It's very, very crucial, okay? So we have to back comb always. And also I'm putting with the bobby pin and putting this ring accessory, both sides, yeah. And when you put it, then you can use like little shine spray to make it more easy to pull, to work. And then as you can see, we have enough force, and then we can pull it easily and work very easily. And I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm gonna, as you can see, put these side hairs right in the center of this ring accessory, right? As you can see, I'm back combing again to give a direction. Then it's gonna be more easy for me to pull, to work, to make aligners, right? So yeah, and I'm doing the same thing. When you have two hands, free hands, then it's more easy to work again with this hair. Yeah, I was drawing actually this hair for a long time, and I was trying out so many times, and now finally I can share with you this hairstyle. Actually, I'm not doing like randomly, spontaneously. I'm really preparing for each hairstyle. And as you can see, the result is not really bad, right? It looks so good, I hope, yeah. Yeah, and I'm doing the same thing, yeah, and we are pulling and very gently. And this is actually my curling iron, which is 32 millimeters. And also you can purchase it on my website shamuratov.com. Yeah, as you can see, I'm putting beautifully the bang area. Yeah, it's very crucial for our clients to have beautiful bang. Yeah, and of course you have to separate it, you have to make it very like transparent. And look at this beautiful result. We are so happy here actually. Yeah, look at this beautiful result. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want to get some of my tools, please visit shamuratov.com. Bye bye, see you next time.